So hello guys, what's up? How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So welcome back in again consistent video. And as you know that I always record my video for my daily consistency because I want to be a fluent in English language. So that's why I always try to record video and try to talk about here and there because I want to be a fluent in English language. So it's very necessary for me to record video and try to talk as much as I can. Basically, it's my daily routine to I have to talk about my about related to my surroundings because I'm not making my video as a scripted and I'm not editing my video because my goal is that very simple. I have to record and just upload a genuine video what the other people is doing. I'm just going with different type, means I'm always uploading a raw data how a normal people learn this language very easily. So that's why it's my journey, and it's really very dream for me to just guide you, suggest you how can you learn this language very easily without making lot of things, without doing many lot of things, just like other people is suggesting you. If you are just searching the thing means how can I learn this language very easily, you get a lot of videos. It's really very difficult to find how what's the authentic way to learn this language, but I am here to suggest you the way, and that is a very easiest way which I find, which I am trying. All the people is suggesting with the other people who are the from the other people who is just suggesting you is I you don't have a guarantee you will learn or not. It's not genuine, I think so. But if I am suggesting you with my experience, it is totally based on my own learning process, why the people is just believing me because of I'm giving you a lot of things which is really authentic. I'm not sharing anything which is beyond my experience. I always suggest you the same thing, the best thing, but it's really look like sometime boring because you don't feel growth in an initial phase, but after some time you also feel like yeah, I'm growing day by day. So that is a very important point you have to learn. Means start with the basic. What you have to do whenever you are starting your journey, what you have to do first time, whenever you are going to record video, whenever you want to learn this language and you are not able to speak a single language, single word, then what you have to start, what you have to do means in an initial phase it's a very difficult part, I know that, but you have to do it in any circumstances, then you can learn it. Basically that is a very simple language. In an initial phase you have to talk and try to talking in English. You have to try to make a lot of sentences in initial phase. I know this is very difficult. This is the part like it's not possible, but you have to at least try. If I know that you will make wrong sentences that time, but yeah, believe me, it's really working trick because not trick, it's a authentic way to learn this language. If you are watching any people and if anyone suggests you what how can you learn this language, so many people suggest you have to read books, you have to learn English grammar rules, you have to learn vocabularies, but trust me, it's take a lot of time. I'm not saying the other people is wrong, but I am saying it's take a lot of time, and it's take your whole day 4 to 5 hours to doing that type of all the things. But if you really want to learn this language very shortly and you don't want to do any type of work in that way, so you can learn by your talking. Initially you have, I'm not saying you have to record for a 10, 30 and 40 minutes. I'm just saying you have to record for a 10 minutes. If you are able to talk with a friend, family, and I think so it's not possible because we are Indians and we don't want to talk in English. As always, you know that our family, our siblings, and our friends don't want to talk in that language. If we try see and he mock at us, so that is very difficult part. Because I'm saying, because I know that I am also facing that type of all the situation, that's why I decided I have to make my best friend my camera. And so that's why I'm deciding I decided I have to suggest all the people. Means if you're recording your video, that is a very good and a very important thing. It's a very fruitful thing if you are doing. Means if you are recording your recording video, if you are doing recording video, then you will learn many more things. Means how can you handle your camera, how can you talk in front of camera, your the way of speaking, many more things you will learn by the doing that same thing again and again. I upload always my video, so that is same what you have to do. You have to record your video and consistently you have to make it. I am not saying you have to record for 10 or 20 minutes. I'm saying if you are able, then record for 5 minutes. And it's very tough in the initial phase. I'm preparing you first at first, because I know that in the initial phase, if you are open your camera and just try to record, you feel so blank that time. You are not capable to talk a single word. But the thing is, you don't have to quite there. At least you have to open your camera and record and try your best to speak. I know you will make a lot of mistake in this video, but yeah, it's an initial phase. It's very tough, and after doing 30 days you realize, yeah, I'm doing something good. And just a lot of difference between your day 1 and day 30. So this is a very important thing you have to learn. You have to just keep in your mind, just talking is really necessary. If you really want to learn this English language, then it is very much to talk as much as you can. So, and if you are talking for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, that's a very good idea for you. But at least you have to record for a 5 minutes on a daily basis. You don't have to quiet, you don't have to don't to think about your background, your noises and all the things. Just speak and in front of camera. Because and if you are able, then you have to upload on a YouTube channel. So that is a very important thing. It's your also a content. If you are doing that same thing again and again, you will be viral in future if you are lucky, and if you have a something good in yourself. So that is very important, and that's why I'm always suggesting you record your videos and upload on a YouTube channel. It's a very easy way to the grow your own character, grow yourself. So that is a very important thing. And the thing is that you don't have to quite perseverance and consistency, very important. Like me, if you are able to see my first video, just go and see the first video of mine where I'm making a lot of mistake and I'm not able to speak fluently and making a lot of mistake. But right now I'm able to record video and talking fluently, making some doing something fumble. I'm fumbling somewhere, but yeah, I'm trying my best always to talk and just explain about here and there, which is really very important. So that's why I'm always suggesting you, if you are able to record videos, if you are able to make videos, so please make it. And if you have some friends, family, then it's very good for you to it's making a normal environment. So that is a very good thing. But if you don't have any people, so do it that things that is very easy. Record. Recording is very necessary. You, if you are recording, you will learn many more things. Don't scared. Means in an initial phase, a very normal person is scared to recording video, but you don't have to quit there. Okay, if you are quitting, you will not getting anything, you will not able to learn this language. So what's the benefit to quit the situation, the video? So there is no benefit, I think. So record your videos, record yourself, you will get a much benefit that time. And you don't feel that time, yeah, it's get a benefited and anything else. But after some days, after some months, you really feel so good that time, because you are speaking, you are just building something. So it will give you a lot of motivation. Like me, I'm all the thing which I'm suggesting you. It's just upon, it's just with my experience. I'm not talking a single word which is not my experience. So that's why believe me, because it's very working trick. You don't have to learn any type of vocabularies, learn any type of English grammar rules. It's a very easy thing. You can do it and you will just learn very easily. So that's why I'm always suggesting you, please do it and see the magic. It's a very magical language. If you are learning this language, you will get a much benefit. I am not able to telling you here, but I will give you some example. If you are talking in front of any people, you will get the praises and appreciations, and all the people is just change the thoughts perspective related to you, about you. And it's a very good thing. Like, why I'm saying, because I know that I am getting day by day. If I'm talking in front of any people, I have a value, I'm making my own value. So that is a very important, and that is all the happening with my own one, changing my character, which I'm changed totally, because I am talking in English without fumbling anywhere. The basically the one thing is that if I am recording my video, I am building my confidence. So confidence is really very matter for me, and it helped me to make my own confidence. So that's why I'm fluent, I'm making mistakes, and also I'm so confident. Making mistake is really very necessary. I'm always suggesting in my videos, because mistake is not the problem. The problem is your consistency, your confidence. And confidence only build when you are consistently doing the same thing again and again. If you have a knowledge, you are confident. If you know that how to do it, then you feel so confident. But if you are not if you are not feeling confident, it means it's a lack of practice. So practice as much as you can and you will learn easily. That's not a big deal. So that's why I feel confident, and it's changed totally character of mine. And you can also change your character, your not character, your values. You will just build up your own values just because of you are learning a single language. So it will help you a lot of. So if I always suggest you, in India all the people has to know that, all the people have to know this language. This language is very important and it's really good growing day by day in all over the India. So that's why I'm always suggesting you. So what you think about it, let me know in the comment section. And if I made any mistake, please let me know, because it's very important. And if I am just hurting you with my own words something, so pardon me, because I want to just grow my language, I want to grow myself. So that is very important. And I'm always recording my video for my daily, for my own self growth. So always I'm recording video and uploading on a YouTube channel. That is a very easiest thing which I'm doing, and I'm improving. And that's it. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.